a bean in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a bean in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm in the island on a Wednesday, laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jocy here. Today I'm going to test the NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Eyebrow or Tinted Brow Pomade. This is how it looks like, and it is chocolate, the color as well, and apart from that, it is 8 ounce or 5 grams. Look at this. So this is the first time that I'm going to try this. Whenever I am doing my eyebrows, I am using different types of product. There comes a time that I am using pencil or powder. There's also sometimes that I am just only using this mascara brow. And this time I will be using this NYX, and for that I only needed 3 more additional accessory, which is the double eyebrows brush of Ebelin. It already have this brow spoolie, and as well as this angled brush for the brows. It is quite stiff, so I have more control on how should I apply this on my brow. Plus, as well as the flat concealer brush, and as well as the Catrice Camouflage. This is the Catrice Camouflage concealer cream, and I like it so much, especially if I just wanted to clean a lot of like edges on the brows, make it a little bit defined, and as well as looks a little bit cleaner. Now we shall proceed, guys. This is the Pomade Brow, and let's see. So I just took a little bit of it, and I have not used this, so I wanted to make it sure that I am not putting so much. So let me start at the corner of the brow. Now, as you could see, I have not cleaned my eyebrows.
Crossing the line again.
I didn't actually trim it, nor shave it, or pluck it, because I just wanted to have it look very natural. So it is nice, it is buildable, it's creamy, and let's see. Oftentimes I've seen a lot of videos of this. It was compared to the Anastasia Pomade Brow. So I do like the application though, because I don't like it if it is very dark the first time around that I apply it. I want something which is buildable. I want to control the shade of it, and I don't want it to be so dark, because you are aiming for like a very natural brow looking, or if not maybe natural, I wouldn't say that, but I want that not to be so strong, and if it is already too dark, then I couldn't control it that much. So here I'm just trying to spread the color. Okay. And the rest of the color I'm spreading here in the front brow. I want this area to be very light. Now Even if I'm not doing so much makeup though, if I'm going out, especially right now during the pandemic, now we have to wear masks whenever you go out. And yeah, I just don't like to wear makeup that much if I am wearing mask, because it will be transfer no matter how they call it. A lot of makeup right now are claiming their foundation or makeup to be transfer free, which is not really the case though. A lot of makeup will have transfer on the mask if you are wearing it the entire day. So don't believe that crap though. Here you go. And now I am using the brow spoolie to soften it a little bit. That's it. So still it looks very natural. Look at that. And doing the other brow again. Here. Now I am not really very specific when it comes to doing my eyebrow. So I just pick a very tiny bit of the brow here. And like what I've said, you have to be careful on applying eyebrow, because I barely touch my eyebrow yet there's a lot of color already. So as much as possible, try to pick very little color and build that. You don't want your brow to look very strong. Personally, I don't like to see a brow which is very strong. So that's it. And then soften it a little bit with the brush, very softly, and drag it back and forth just to make it sure that the space between the brow, which is so to say bald, will be covered. I think I wanted to add a little bit more here. Okay, brush it up and towards the end of the brows, and here also. Now I'm good for the final retouch. Hold on a second. So for that, I am still using the same angle brush which I have used, but I'm just only cleaning it a little bit before I pick some concealer cream. Now I'll be using the concealer cream. So look how dense that is and very creamy. Okay, because I have more control if I do that. Now I am starting here, and I don't really put so much pressure. Now I can see that at the bottom, and so as on this area. So lining it, looking like that. And on the other brow, I will do the same thing. There. So as there. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Okay, we are done, guys. No, we're not done. Okay, now here comes the flat concealer brush from BH Cosmetics, and I am just going to soften that area So even though it's a little bit harsh, looks very harsh, looking at it, and simply just go back and forth. Do not apply so much pressure. So what I do is just really like going back and forth until I am already satisfied with the texture. That's it. So let me just soften that part and you will see how clean that is. See? Just really go on the area where you applied the concealer. There is no need for you to run over your brow again. And I am just kind of tickling my skin only, just for you to get the idea. And I'm not really applying so much pressure, guys. Look at that. Look how good that is already. So that's just only how I do my eyebrows, whether I am using the mascara brow or I'm using the pencil eyebrows. And you could pick the color which you really want. So lay that straight and a little bit flat and simply drag it and just drag it back and forth until it's clean. Now if you overdo it, you could always go back and clean it again or apply a little bit more brow on it. And voila, you're good to go. So you don't really need so much accessory for you to clean your eyebrows. Now, if you don't have a flat concealer brush, you could also use a Q-tip. I'm also doing that, rubbing it on the concealer cream or concealer product, and then just go over it and use the Q-tip as a flat brush. And here, soften it a little bit. I'm good with that already. What do you think? Are you okay with it? If you have like an additional tip on how should I do my eyebrows next time, feel free to leave your comment down below. And by the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it. And yeah, final review about this item. I like it, and I think it is nice. In my opinion, it is buildable. There's so much product already in it. It is 5 grams, guys. And if you could imagine, this is how many grams it is. This is 3 grams. It will take forever before you could really empty this. And look at this. There is so much product. Even if you're going to apply it on your brows 3 times a day, 5 times a day, still it'll last like so long, like forever. And yeah, I think I do like this. I would love to recommend this. And I wanted to try Anastasia maybe next time, because I have seen that it was compared to Anastasia. But what I have seen in the videos, though, that Anastasia, you just have to pick a little amount of it, and it's too strong. I'm not sure if that is something I really do like. And plus, this is way much cheaper compared to Anastasia Brow. And I think if you have used the Anastasia and compared this one to Anastasia, let me know what's your feedback about it. If you like that too, or do you think no, it's a waste of money, or once I have tried Anastasia, I will stay with Anastasia already. Let's see. Maybe I'll stay with Jocy. You too, okay? You must stay with me in my channel, guys. And again, Until next time, have a great day. Love you.